Today we are going to take the next problem, our seventh problem. Now this problem, the main thing we are going to study is regarding when partner brings additional capital, how to calculate interest on capital on that. And another important point is when interest loan is taken from a partner and we have to calculate the interest on loan. How to show it in your profit and loss appropriation account. So let us start the problem. X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:2. Their capital balances on 1st April 2018 were rupees 7 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively. During the year on 1st October 2018, X had brought additional capital of rupees 2 lakh. Now first explain you this first point regarding capital before we start with the main problem. So X and Y are partners sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 4:2. Their capital balances on 1st April 2018 were rupees 7 lakh and rupees 3 lakh respectively. During the year on 1st October 2018, X had brought additional capital of rupees 2 lakh. So X is bringing additional capital in between. He has brought it on 1st October. So from October to 31st March, it's coming to 6 months. So these 6 months you have to calculate interest on capital separately on the amount which is brought 2 lakhs additional capital. On 1st January 2019, X withdrawn rupees 20,000 and Y withdrawn rupees 30,000 on 1st June 2018. So drawings is given and the capital is given. Interest on capital to be allowed at 8% per annum. Interest on drawing to be charged at a rate of 10% per annum. Mr. X is entitled for a salary of rupees 4,000 per month. Mr. Y is entitled for a commission of 2% on the turnover of the firm. During the year ending 31st March 2019, they had earned a net profit of rupees 5,97,500. Annual turnover of the year was rupees 8 lakhs, and during the year Y has advanced a loan of rupees 1,20,000. So Y has given a loan of rupees 1,20,000 to the firm. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019. So first we will do the working note. First one will take interest on capital. So we have two partners, X and Y. X opening capital is rupees 7 lakhs and Y's opening capital is 3 lakhs. Okay. During the year on 1st October 2018, X had brought additional capital. So X capital is also additional capital he has brought of rupees 2 lakh on 1st October. So on both this amount, you have to calculate interest on capital, which X brought. One, he is having his opening balance, and second, he is bringing additional capital on 1st October. So on this opening balance, we have to calculate interest at 8% for full year. It will come to 56,000. And on this 2 lakh, we have to calculate at 8% per annum for 6 months because we are bringing it on 1st October. So on 2 lakhs, multiply by 8%, multiply by 6 upon 12. And you get the answer on this is 8,000. So total interest on capital for X is rupees 64,000. Is it clear? So when the adjustment is given, opening capital plus additional capital is brought. On that additional capital also you have to calculate the interest and add it to the opening capital interest, and his total amount due is 64,000. The second partner, he has brought only 3 lakh. On 3 lakh directly 8%, it comes to 24,000. So understood this interest on capital if additional capital is brought in between the year. Okay. Next we'll see interest on drawing. Interest on drawings. Now in this case, previously I have taken problem where interest on drawing was given at a rate of percentage was given with the word per annum, without the word per annum. Now here dates are given, so you have to calculate when dates are given, you have to count the number of months and the interest rate. So drawings X and Y you take. X had withdrawn rupees 20,000 and Y had withdrawn rupees 30,000. Now you have to calculate the number of months for the interest. Now if you see the dates given are from X has withdrawn on 1st January. He has withdrawn on 1st January 19. So you have to count till 31st March 2019. So January, February, March, 3 months, and the rate of interest is 10%. So you multiply by 10%, multiply by 3 months. You get the answer. And the second partner, 10%, multiply by months, and he introduced the he had withdrawn on 1st June 2018. So from June to 31st March, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March. So 10 months you have to calculate from 1st, it is from 1st June 18. This amount he had withdrawn on 1st January 19 and this on 1st June 18. So amount comes to 500 and this is 2,500. Okay. So next we have calculated the working note for interest on capital and interest on drawing. Next we will see commission. Mr. Y is entitled for a commission of 2% on the turnover. So commission to whom it is? Y. It is 2% on the turnover and the turnover is 8 lakhs. On that 2%, so 2% of the commission, it comes to 16,000. Then I will show you salary also. Salary, X is entitled for a salary of 4,000 per month. Salary to X. So 4,000 multiplied by 12. It comes to 48,000. So these are the working notes regarding interest on capital, interest on drawing, commission and salary. Now next point we are taking interest on partner's loan. When any partner advances a loan to the partnership firm, it is a charge on the partnership firm. Means it is same like taking a loan from the outsider and we have to pay the interest on loan. So it is not appropriation, it is a charge. It is a direct expense we have to pay to the partner. So interest on partner's loan. In this case, loan amount is given and it is given by Y. He has given us 1,20,000 and interest is not given. Now if you remember the provisions as per Partnership Act, when provision regarding partnership deed is absent regarding loan advanced by the partner, we have to give interest up to 6%. So here, even though rate is not mentioned, you have to give an interest of 6% as per Partnership Act. So loan amount, interest amount comes to 7,200. Now same like what we did for rent. From net profit we minus the rent paid to the partner and then showed the net profit in our profit and loss appropriation account. In the same way, from the net profit which is given, net profit minus interest on partners loan. The net profit is given in a problem 5,97,500. 5,97,500 minus this amount 7,200. This amount will be your net profit. Actual net profit from which you can appropriate among the partners. Means from this net profit we can pay the partners their salary, their commission, interest on capital, etc. So we have to find out the actual net profit after interest on partners loan. So same like rent given to the partner. So rent we are paying to the partner, it is a compulsory expense, and interest on loan is also a compulsory expense. So we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. When we prepare a profit and loss appropriation account, first we have to write the net profit brought down and show the working note over here. 5,97,500 minus 7,200, and this after minusing 5,90,300 will come in your profit and loss appropriation account. So this working note, if you show here, while doing the correction for board, they do the correction for inner column also and they give the mark. So you have to write the working note here, or you can write the working note here. Okay. So next we will write what we have calculated by interest on drawing X and Y. Interest on drawing by to X and Y was 500 and 2,500. It comes to 3,000. Next we will take to interest on capital. X and Y. X we have to take 64,000 and Y we have to take 24,000. Total comes to 88,000. Next we are going to write to salary to X. It comes to 48,000. Then commission to Y, it comes to 16,000. Okay. So all the adjustment you have to post. Net profit will come after the interest on loan, then interest on drawing, whatever working note we have done, interest on capital, salary and commission. Now you have to do the balancing as we do. So total, this side it is coming 5,93,300. 5,93,300, and it is coming 1,52,000 this side. 5,93,300 on the credit side and 1,52,000 on the debit side. So which side is more? Your credit side is more. So write that amount in the total column. 5,93,300 on the both the column, amount column. And from this 5,93,300 minus 1,52,200, the balance amount what we are getting is 4,41,300. So this you have to distribute among the partners to profit transferred to capital of X and Y. This we are going to give in their profit sharing ratio, which is 4. The profit sharing ratio is 4:2 is equal to 6. Or you can reduce this more. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 is equal to 3. So the profit is X share and Y share you find out. 4,41,300 multiplied by 2 upon 3, 4,41,300 multiplied by 1 upon 3. So you are getting the answer 2,94,200 and 1,47,100. This you have to write in the inner column. 2,94,200 and 1,47,100. So with this complete, in this problem, what new thing you have studied is when additional capital is brought, what we should do? We should add the interest on capital on the opening balance plus the additional capital. When there is interest on loan, we have to calculate it in the partner's loan, and that amount 6% is not given in the problem. So when partnership deed is absent regarding interest on loan, we have to take about at a rate of 6%. Now if the interest rate was given in the problem, you have to take that interest rate. Here the interest rate is not given, so you have to take 6%. And from that you have to minus interest on loan. Because I have sent a note to you all on the WhatsApp that whenever there is interest on partner's loan, it should be minus from the net profit on the credit side, and the net amount should be written in the outer column. So here we are again getting the profit, and it is distributed in their profit sharing ratio 4:2. Thank you.